Hello friends, I am Dr. Naveen. Welcome to my Dr. Naveen's Allied Skin Hair Transplant and Cosmetic Surgery Clinic. Today I am here to share you the exciting news from our clinic. The first time introduction of hair transplant, artificial hair transplant system in our clinic, and that is called Biofibre. Yes, the wait has been over. Here is the exciting news of introduction of Biofibre in our clinic for the first time in Bengaluru. So the wait for the hair transplant in many patients who are getting bald and who is having a very less donor site. Now here is the solution. The solution is high technology hair implant system, and this is called Biofibre. So Biofibre is a method of hair transplant which is recently introduced in India, and we are first time doing in Bengaluru for our patients, and this mainly involve artificial hair strands which are called biofibers, and these are all the artificial hair strands that actually you can see. Each hair strand is made of polyamide material. This comes in pre-medicated cover, and the polyamide fibers are ready to implant, and this can be, as you can see, this comes in various length, and this is about 15 centimeter length, and these are the biofibers which are made of polyamide, and you can see each strand is ended with a knot on one side, and along with this we have an implanter also. So the idea of using the biofiber is in the patients who don't have a good donor site. Normal traditional method of doing hair transplant is by FUE and FUT method, and the disadvantage of doing FUE FUT is creating a donor site problem. FUT will give a strip and scar, and FUE will have a punch scars. So with the introduction of biofibers, that problem can be overcome, and patient don't have to undergo the harvesting step in a hair transplant system in case of biofiber. So we are very happy to introduce this method in our clinic, and all the patients who are very less donor site at the occipital or the back side of the scalp can really beneficial for them. And another additional advantage with biofiber, we can also do biofiber along with FUE or FUT method. So this can be incorporated to increase the density in all the patients who is having grade 6, grade 7 alopecia. So we are very excited to announce this, the introduction of biofiber in our clinic, and the patients with grade 7 baldness also can helpful in undergoing this procedure. The procedure involves running a test trial whether to check whether the patient is acceptable to this biofibers. So the test trial involves using of 150 to 300 strands, and these strands will be implanted on the patient's scalp. And once the patient's scalp we have implanted, we will wait for 3 to 4 weeks. If there is no reaction for this polyamide strands, and the patient is good to go. So initially we will wait for 3 to 4 weeks, look for any rejection or any infection, and if there is no problem and all the strands will accept the strands, then the results are permanent, and later the major session can be advised. So once the test trial is done and 4 to 5 weeks patient accept all the strands, then we can plan for about 1000 strands at a time. So each session will have 1000 strands we can use. Depending upon the severity of the baldness, any number of strands can be used, but at different sessions. Advantage is natural looking, very minimally invasive, can be done under local anesthesia. Patient will be absolutely comfortable, same day discharge, and absolutely there is no pain. Once the biofibers will take up, the results are going for lifelong, and as such there is maintenance free method and maintenance free hair. These biofibers will be similar to the normal hair what patients are having, and it comes in different colors, and depending upon the patient natural hair color, these fibers can be utilized. And I'm very happy. Here is the end of more misery for those patients who is having baldness at the different age group. Even this can be done in a patient like 55 to 60 years of age, and once the procedure is successful and it is there for lifelong. So Biofibre is the answer for permanent natural looking hair transplant results and free from baldness. So kindly visit our clinic, Elite Clinic Hair Transplant, and we are expert, and we have successfully given 500 more than we have done 500 hair transplants, and the first time we are introducing Biofibre in our clinic, and this is also going to add additional advantage in our clinic, and then to cater to all the needs of our patients, and we want to see that smile back on our patient's face and free from baldness. So do visit our clinic situated at Koramangala, Bengaluru, and I am Dr. Naveen. So I'm happy to share this news with you. Thank you.